Good morning, class 9th. Today again I am here to discuss further about the topic of evaporation. In the last video we had discussed about what is evaporation, difference between evaporation and boiling point, and the factors on which the evaporation depends. Okay? On the basis of these factors, today I will explain you some examples of evaporation related to your daily life. Okay? First we start with the temperature. As we had discussed yesterday that as the temperature will increase, the rate of evaporation will also increase. Why? Because जितना ज़्यादा temperature होगा उतनी ज़्यादा heat that surface water will absorb and they will increase their kinetic energy and quickly they will get evaporated. इससे related एक reasoning आती है that why clothes dry up quickly in sun than in shade. आपने भी नोटिस किया होगा अगर आप अपने कपड़ों को धो के रूम के अंदर डालते हो और कुछ कपड़ों को धो के हम बाहर धूप में डालते हैं. Which one dry up quickly? Which we have put in the sun. Why? Because when in the presence of sun the temperature is high and as the temperature will increase the rate of evaporation will also increase. तो आप लिखोगे यही आप लिखेंगे that when we spread the clothes outside in the sun the temperature will be more. As the temperature will increase, the rate of evaporation will also increase and the clothes dry up quickly in sun than in shade. Okay? Second factor was that why wind speed. Okay? That means as the wind speed will increase, the rate of evaporation will also increase. This you can see by yourself. If we are perspiring more, if we are sweating more, okay? In that case, when we are sitting by closing the fan, we will sweat more. And when we will switch on the fan, our sweat will start evaporating faster and we feel cool and comfortable. Yes? इसी तरह, suppose in the rainy season, again we have washed some clothes and we have kept some clothes in one room where no fan is there and in another room the fan is on. Where the clothes will dry up quickly? Where the fan is on. Why? Because as the wind speed will increase, the rate of evaporation will also increase. Next is surface area. इससे एक क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है why is it easier to sip hot tea or milk easily in saucer rather than cup? That means हम चाय को easily saucer में आसानी से पी सकते हैं as compared to cup. Why? Because the reason is this is the surface of the cup. ठीक है? This is the surface of the cup and this is the surface of the saucer. तो अगर चाय बहुत गर्म है तो आप उसको सॉसर में निकालोगे तो वो क्विकली ठंडी हो जाएगी because from the whole surface the heat will evaporate and the tea or milk will cool down faster and as it cool down faster we can simply drink it. So you will write because the saucer has larger surface area and if the surface area will increase the rate of evaporation will also increase and we can easily sip hot tea or milk from saucer rather than cup. ठीक है? Next is humidity. Humidity का बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल आपने देखा होगा अगर आपके घर में कूलर है, ठीक है? अभी आजकल ये कूलर बहुत अच्छी हवा दे रहे हैं, बहुत ठंडी, ठीक है? और बहुत जल्दी से कूलर की टंकी का पानी खाली हो जाता है. लेकिन जब बारिश होती है, specifically in rainy season when the humidity increases, from the same cooler you will sit in front of the cooler but you will feel uncomfortable. Reason? Because as the amount of water vapor will be present in the air, that is only called humidity. If the water vapor in the air will be more, then less water will evaporate. Less water will evaporate, so the air which is coming through the cooler will not cool down easily and that is why we feel uncomfortable. तो अगर humidity का मतलब क्या है? The amount of water vapor in the air. और evaporation में हो क्या रहा है? The water is converting into water vapor. तो अगर atmosphere में already water vapor ज़्यादा है, तो वो less water vapor absorb करेगा. Yes. So if the humidity will be more, the rate of evaporation will be slower. इसमें से भी एक क्वेश्चन आता है why desert cooler cools better on a hot dry day. मतलब जो कूलर होते हैं वो hot dry वाली गर्मी में ज्यादा अच्छा काम करते हैं as compared to rainy season. आप ये लिखोगे because the coolers had wet wooden shavings. उसके साइड में जो wet wooden shavings लगी होती हैं, जब आप पंप ऑन करते हो तो वो wet हो जाती है, ठीक है? When the hot air passes through the cooler, the water present in the wooden shaving will absorb the heat and evaporate. And जब उसने पूरी air की heat को absorb कर लिया, so the air which is passing through the cooler will be cool better. ठीक है? No. Reason? Because unless the water will not be there, the water will not be there on the wooden shavings, वो जो wet, वो जो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, जो घास लगी होती है कूलर की उसमें, ठीक है, that is wooden shavings, ठीक है. When it will be wet, then only it will absorb the heat from the air and the water gets evaporated, then only it will cool the air which is passing through it, ठीक है. And the next is nature of liquid. आपने देखा होगा जब हम हॉस्पिटल्स में जाते हैं तो हमें स्प्रिट लगाई जाती है अगर इंजेक्शन लगना है. जैसे वो स्प्रिट लगती है तो हमें ठंडा लगता है. यस, क्यों? क्योंकि दैट इज एल्कोहल, एंड एल्कोहल इज अ वोलेटाइल लिक्विड. Volatile liquids are those liquid which can simply evaporate at room temperature or they can evaporate at very low heat. So जैसे आप उसको स्किन पे लगाते हो, it will absorb the heat from the skin and gets evaporated. And when something gets evaporated, it will give cooling sensation. ठीक है, तो ये तो हो गई इससे रिलेटेड रीजनिंग. One more question will be asked, बहुत पूछा जाता है, why the water kept in earthen pot becomes cool during summer? मटके में रखा हुआ पानी गर्मियों में ठंडा क्यों होता है? You will write here, the earthen pot, मिट्टी का बना होता है वो. The earthen pot have small pores present in it through which water regularly seeps out. ठीक है? When that water evaporates, it absorbs heat from inside the earthen pot and makes the water cool. यही वजह है, आपने देखा होगा जो मटका होता है, the earthen pot is always wet from outside. ठीक है, and if it is not wet because of any good reason, that means your earthen pot is useless and it will not make your water cool. So earthen pot have small pores in it through which water seeps out. इसमें से पानी बाहर आता रहता है, और जब वो बाहर वाला water evaporate होता है, then it absorbs heat from inside the earthen pot and makes the water cool. ठीक है? One more question, that why trees acquire more leaves during summer. आपने देखा होगा आजकल पत्तियां ज्यादा झड़ती हैं और ज्यादा जल्दी जल्दी नई पत्तियां निकलती हैं पेड़ों में. क्यों? Because as we have to maintain our temperature, plants also have to maintain their temperature. Yes, so for maintaining their temperature, they do transpiration. Transpiration, the losing of water in the form of water vapor through leaves is called transpiration. ठीक है, तो प्लांट्स में जितना ज्यादा ट्रांसपिरेशन किसके थ्रू होता है? लीव्स के थ्रू. जितना ज्यादा ट्रांसपिरेशन होगा उतनी ज्यादा लीव्स लगेंगी. ठीक है, सो प्लांट्स एक्वायर मोर लीव्स ड्यूरिंग समर. सो ये सारी रीजनिंग आप पढ़िएगा अपनी बुक में. लर्न इट, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, एंड रेस्ट वी विल डिस्कस इट नेक्स्ट. थैंक यू.